In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can start making 10K a month by only working 2 hours a day. And no, this is not too good to be true. There are so many people doing this exact business model, and it's the business model that I use to quit my 9-to-5 job where I was working in the UK and completely change my life, take the biggest risk, move to Dubai, where I now make well over 6 figures a year, living here financially free. And now people hire me to help them start their own online business, doing exactly the same business model I'm going to be talking about in this video, where they were able to generate thousands and thousands of dollars all online, okay? Now guys, to make 10K a month online, right, I'm sure you guys have probably seen a lot of other videos online showing you how to make 10K a month online, whether that's through drop shipping, whether that's through affiliate marketing or YouTube or TikTok, all of these kind of things, right? And I'm not saying these business models don't work, by the way. Yes, of course they work. But to make 10K a month online, especially as a beginner, these are not the best business models to do, right? So the best business model that you guys should be focusing on is something called the One Skill Consulting business model. Now, the One Skill Consulting business model allows beginners, even if you've got no previous experience, right? You've never made money online before, you're working a 9-to-5 job, or maybe you've got a physical business, or maybe you've even got an online business, right? Whatever it is that you've got, you can actually use the One Skill Consulting business model, start this, and actually change your life, right? Because the amount of money that you can make, and not just make this money, you can make this money very, very quickly, okay? Because a lot of people talk about this online, right? That it's so difficult to make money online, and that if you want to make money online, you know, it takes a long time and all this kind of stuff. And yeah, like to a certain extent, it's kind of true. However, with this One Skill Consulting business model, you can start making substantial amount of money very, very quickly. In fact, you can make your wage, your salary, you know, anything you make in a physical business straight away, right? And this is why this business model is amazing. And in fact, by doing this business model for myself for the first time, I was able to generate 10 grand straight away. And don't worry, I'll break this down in this video exactly how you can start making 10K a month by only working 2 hours a day, okay? Now guys, before I actually get into how to actually do this, right? One thing I want to mention, to do this business model, you need to have one skill, okay? Now, you don't need to be exceptional at the skill. You don't need to be an expert at the skill. You just need to be able to do something better than some people, right? That's it. Even if you're like maybe a 5 out of 10 or a 6 out of 10 at that skill, that's perfectly fine. You do not need to be a 10 out of 10. And to be fair, to a certain extent, it's actually better that you're not a 10 out of 10, okay? And I'll explain why later in the video. But you need to have one skill that you're somewhat good at, maybe 4 out of 10, 5 out of 10, 6 out of 10, right? Now, a lot of people might be watching this right now and say, you know what, I don't actually have a skill. Can I still do this business model? And the thing is, guys, you might feel like you don't have a skill, right? In fact, everyone I speak to says the same thing to me. I don't have a skill. Can I still do this business model? X, Y, and Z. And I'm like, listen, everyone's got a skill, right? I've got a 16-year-old client, right? That's signed around 3-4 clients already within a few months of working with me. So it just shows how possible it actually is, okay? So guys, everyone has a skill. If a 16-year-old has a skill, if a 15-year-old has a skill, I'm pretty sure you guys have a skill, right? Unless you've been living under a rock for the last 20, 30 years of your life. Now, let me explain how you actually do this business model, okay? So once you've identified the skill, okay, what you then need to do is create an offer. Now, your offer is going to be your pricing, your deliverables, you know, your ICP, all of that kind of stuff, your niche, all of these things, right? You need to be able to understand exactly who you're targeting, what your deliverables are, how much you're going to charge, all of those kind of things, right? Once you've identified that, once you've created an offer, you can then start creating content, okay? Now, content is extremely important, especially organic content, because, guys, if you want to get the best clients, if you want to get clients that just show up on sales calls and just pay you straight away, you literally have to do content, right? You can do ads, and ads is very, very good, but I would always recommend ads alongside content, right? I do not recommend just doing ads by itself, because one, it becomes a lot harder. Two, it's just more complicated for you. There's a lot more overheads. You know, you just make things a lot more difficult for you, right? But if you do content and ads, guys, you've literally got a money printer. That's how amazing it is, right? So content and ads is what you want to focus on. Now, with the content side of things, what you want to do is film YouTube videos just like I'm filming right now. Create content. You want to post on YouTube, you want to post on Instagram, LinkedIn, X, all of these platforms, right? Where you can actually start getting clients who are then going to pay you thousands of dollars. Now, just a quick one. If you do need any help, by the way, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you. Now, guys, the reason why this business model works extremely well, okay, is because you have to understand one thing. Your pricing is going to be high, right? So you're going to do high ticket pricing. So, for example, you're going to charge $2,000 and above, okay? So you can charge $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, right? It depends on your niche and it depends on your ICP. So for example, right, if you charge $5,000, well, you only need 2 clients to make 10K a month, right? Now, to get 2 clients, guys, is not very difficult, okay? A lot of people think, you know, they need to do some low ticket product, for example, $59 or $29 or, you know, stupid prices like that. And then what they do is they sell that and then they have to try and attract so many people, right? So for you to make money doing low ticket, you need to have a big audience, you need to get a lot of views, right? It's not sustainable long term. And in my opinion, a $29, $59, $57 product isn't valuable enough to change someone's life, right? Because if you want to change someone's life, what you ultimately want to do is you want to have a product that is extremely, extremely valuable. And the most valuable thing that you can give someone is your time, right? So whatever skill you're good at, if you jump on one-to-one calls with them, right, as your deliverables, well, you're going to be able to get them results a lot quicker, and it's just going to be much more valuable for you. This is why you can warrant charging $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, right? Whatever it is, you can charge that because you're giving someone the most valuable thing, which is your time. This is why I don't believe in courses alone. This is why I don't even believe in group coaching to a certain extent. I believe in one-to-one coaching, because with one-to-one coaching, you're able to deliver them amazing results just by working with them directly, right? And this is what I do with my program, by the way. So if you do need any help, or you can start the One Skill Consulting business model, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis, right? Scale you to 10K a month by using this business model. Click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how you can start this. But guys, this is one of the most easiest business models, right? And the reason why you only need to work 2 hours a day, by the way, for this business model, because each day you do something differently, right? So for example, let's say Monday, you focus 2 hours on content and editing, right? Tuesday, you focus on repurposing your clips, right? On Instagram, TikTok, etc. Wednesday, maybe you take your sales calls. Thursday, maybe you take your client calls, right? Friday, you can start filming more content, right? Saturday, Sunday, you've got another 2 hours each day to do even more, right? So the point of the matter is, 2 hours a day is more than enough for you guys to start making 10K a month with this business model. The problem is not a lot of people believe it. The problem is a lot of people are skeptical. The problem is because a lot of people are 9-to-5 minded, they're unable to start an online business because they're so skeptical, they just do not try, right? And the people that try, the people that take risks, the people that, in my opinion, are less intelligent, they're the ones that will take the action, try and make money and become successful. And then people working their 9-to-5 job will look at these people and also wonder why their life isn't like theirs, right? Again, guys, you cannot be skeptical. This is one of the best business models out there. More and more people are paying for information. The education sector is a billion-dollar industry, right? So you want to get into this industry and make as much money as possible. As I said, guys, if you are interested and you do want to work with someone that knows exactly what they're doing, who's completely changed their life, lived in Dubai, and makes well over 6 figures a year on this business model, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you. Or alternatively, guys, if you want more information on how this business model works, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.